we study birds is because they are so linked to their environment. They respond so quickly in terms of their population, in terms of their reproduction, that we know that if we study birds, we actually are mirroring the bigger problem. This is real. This is happening. We're changing the environment faster than birds can cope with. So we have to either stop what we're doing and think about how to do it better, or pay the consequence of hearing total silence.
We think that songbirds are really like the canary in the coal mine. They are telling us something that's wrong. There's something happening to life on the planet that's not good, and we need to find out what that is and how we can change it. We don't want to imagine the world without songbirds. I don't know if we would survive it.